When I set out on this project, I had no idea it would consume 5 minutes of my life and end up as cute and cuddly as it did. I mean, here I am working on my new documentary, Stay-at-Home Moms and Their Water Skiing Gerbils, and this video pops up out of nowhere. Here's this kid, Joey Cuddles. I mean, it literally blew my mind. I had to stop what I was doing. I had to set out on this journey. I needed to understand.
I'm Joey Cuddles, and I'm the Puppy King.
What are you talking about? Joey Cuddles makes good TV, bro. He makes good news, even if it's a train wreck. You can't help but look. I honestly thought Joey Cuddles was gonna make me mad money. I'm not even playing. Dude's a cash cow, bro.
Yeah, Joey's my brother. He thinks he's the only one that can't have puppies. He's crazy. He's obsessed.
My name's Roro. I met Joey at the playground. Joey's a little crazy. He records everything.
Hey all you cats and kittens, this is Carol Catskins. I'm the founding member of Little Cat Rescue. We firmly believe there's a puppy pandemic and we're pushing the kitten cure.
Carol Catskins, she doesn't care about puppies. She's trying to get rid of the puppies. She wants a cat in every house.
If there's one thing we know for sure, it's that puppies don't belong in cages. Saving puppies, one cat at a time.
Come here, little kittens. Hi, I am Bobby Catskill. I'm Carol's husband, nay Bobby Catimer. We decided when we got married that I would take Carol's last name, of course.
Carol Catskin keeps saying I can't have puppies. Her whole thing is puppies don't belong in cages.
Sure, the puppies we have are in cages, but we don't play with them or anything. We treat them like they're in the wild. It's natural. Just like our cats, they don't need any unnecessary love or attention. They don't even come when you call them. Look, come here, Mittens! Mittens! See?
She is fighting to make us all cat owners.
If you ask me, what that little boy needs is a cat.
Well, Joey Cuddles has been out to get Carol since 1999. I don't know what's going on with him and all those YouTube videos. Oh, hey there, little precious. Oh, aren't you the cutest? Oh.
I know. There's more puppies in cages in the US than anywhere else in the world. Carol is trying to get puppies out of cages. That's why she's pushing her cat propaganda.
Puppies, in their hearts, they're dangerous.
They're dangerous.
I live, eat, and breathe spreading the culture of cats. I'm gonna see this through to the end.
Anybody who says a puppy is dangerous, they don't know what they're talking about. Puppies aren't dangerous.
I'm Nick Nubber. I'm the head puppy trainer. They said it was a normal bite and maybe take 5 days to heal. I said, what if I cut off my whole hand? They said I could start tomorrow. So I cut it off.
One of the puppies was teething and it accidentally bit an arm off. We could either refund your money or come back a different time.
Can we see the gators?
Joey isn't giving any refunds.
It's really unfortunate, a freak accident.
Just like Nick Nubb isn't getting his arm back, they're not getting their money back.
The only thing getting me through this is watching Joey Cuddle's YouTube videos.
I saw the puppy, and the puppy saw me. I saw a puppy, and the puppy saw me.
I could not believe what I was seeing. Here's this unseasonably charismatic kid. I mean, it's springtime. That is a summertime shine on that boy. I didn't do this to my beard. This is where Joey Cuddles touched my beard. I mean, where did this kid come from?
He's more like the puppy hoarder.
How many puppies does he have?
One.
Like this story, and it only got bigger.
The most notorious of this puppy operation is Doc Baba. He's fearless, much more sophisticated. Plus, he has all those moms working for him. Things get done.
If you ask me, Doc Bob is doing all right.
Doc Bob was pretty cool. We used to party back in the day.
Have you seen Joey's YouTube? It's my favorite.
I don't pay attention to anything unless there's a cat involved. Cats should be everywhere. Even the new Cats movie was great. 10 out of 10 whiskers.
Some of the very first photos of me were me with cats. I've always had cats in my life, even imaginary ones. I'm actually allergic to cats.
Oh, this lady needs to lighten up.
Kittens.
Kittens.
Joey and cats are like pineapple on pizza. They just don't go together.
Puppy people are nuts, man. They're all half out there.
Carol Catskin! Carol Catskins! Carol Catskins!
He was like a mythical creature living out there in Arizona, making all them videos. You should have seen his backyard. It was full of dragons, sea monsters, heffalumps, and woozles and ish. Wouldn't believe this kid's imagination, man.
Found the job on Craigslist. I thought, what the heck? Never done this before. Turns out I'm pretty good at it. Most of the family is unique. They're all misfits. I fit right in, hand or no hand.
This puppy is nothing to me when he gains 2 more pounds.
Right now, I make about $2,000 a day off of him.
$2,000 a day? I hope he's reporting that.
2 more pounds? Man, he just cost me a lot of money.
Joseph, stop telling everybody our secrets.
Mom, it's Joey Cuddles. I'm the puppy king.
And you wouldn't believe like how many sheriffs would tell me, hey, you know that guy down the street? He's got a schnauzer. Or that guy's got a chihuahua. I'm telling you, bro, Joey Cuddles was selling them puppies.
You ready? Is this on? Where do you think Doc got some of his puppies from? Cuddles. He got them from Cuddles.
Everybody loves puppies. That's why I keep getting more. I'm the reason that they call it puppy love. You think Doc Baba is getting his puppies from me? He's swimming in that mommy money. What does he think he needs me for?
Carol Catskin is like the Mother Teresa of cats. She's a legend. Honestly, I admire her. She's gonna get a cat in every home. It's like catnip to her. She can't control herself. And I ate the catnip. She smells like Carol Catskin. Honestly, we adopted her this week and she still smells of it.
I'm bored with this interview. You know what's not boring? My first album. It's got 15 songs and 28 music videos. Here, kitty, kitty, I got treats for you. You can't find these treats in the zoo. Here, kitty, kitty, here, kitty, kitty, here, kitty, kitty, I got treats for you. You can't find these treats in the zoo.
It's just terrible how much he plays with that puppy. He buys him so many toys. A puppy doesn't need that many toys.
Do these people have nothing better to do? Why doesn't she go after Doc? He's got all those mommies.
You know what Baba means, right? Baba was the god of dogs. He called himself Doc Baba. What does that even mean?
Doc showed me my first puppy. I learned everything from him.
This whole thing has gotten completely out of control.
This is one of my moms. She's been here the longest. She helps me with my puppies. This is Grandfather Guru. I lived with him since I was a teenager. Puppies are essential. Puppies are happiness. Puppies are love.
Doc Baba. They all live there with him, you know? Very strange. Doc made all the rules. He decided what we ate, what we wore, and I mean, how foolish was I to think that the parents were in charge? But what could I do? He paid the mortgage. I couldn't leave.
How many moms do you think Doc Baba has?
6 or 7, and from what I hear, they don't last very long.
At least 7 moms, which is 7 more than I had.
Much more intellectual, high class. And he has so many moms working for him. I'm just wondering, when is my time, you know?
I don't know anything about his mommies.
I don't know how many mommies he has.
I finally got out when he found a new mom, a younger mom. That's how he liked his moms. Younger, naive, less experienced, so they couldn't tell him no. He would just lure them in with the puppies. I mean, who doesn't want to pet a puppy? Ooh, I still miss those puppies though.
I don't even have a mommy.
A little bizarre, but honestly, jealous.
Why does everybody keep asking me if I'm his mom? No, I'm his Grammy. The reason I'm still here, I am the only one that knows how to make his macaroni and cheese.
Mothers are like puppies. have too many.
Must be nice to have so many moms. He never cleans his room.
It's not about how many moms or puppies he has. Why doesn't he have any cats? Where are the kittens?
I could have one mom or a million. This is America. Wait, how many moms did you say he has? I could have one mom or a million. He has more than one mom or a million. How do you get that? Sign me up. This is America.
This is America.
You should ask about Carol's first husband.
The house has been totally cleared out.
When was the last time you saw him? About a month ago.
Arizona puppy royalty John Doan reported missing after, quote, going out to pick up milk. His wife, Little Cat Rescue owner Carol Catskins, says she and their cats are waiting at home, anxious for his return.
And it seems like everybody keeps ignoring the fact that Carol's first husband had at least 5 puppies. And now he's missing? Come on, man. That's puppy money she's living off of. The one thing she was trying so hard to fight against and stop.
Everyone's focused on me and the puppies. It's misdirection. Leave the puppy king alone. You can't trust Carol Catskins. She has secrets. Word on the street is her husband loved puppies. Now where is he?
I used to babysit Carol when she was a kid. That house was full of puppies. He won't even let me touch the puppies.
Yep, that's what I heard. He comes from a long line of proud puppy parents.
Have you talked to Carol? Why don't you ask Carol where her first husband is? Nobody's seen him.
New husband? Carol's married?
Carol Catskins. Did you do it? He disappears, nobody's seen him, and then Carol ends up with all that money.
What's up with that guy? People don't just disappear.
Do I think Carol's first husband disappeared because of puppies? Hell yeah, I do. That Carol Catskins was a crazy I can't say, whatever. She was a crazy lady.
No one's asking the right questions. What happened to the original Mr. Catskins? I heard Carol fed him to the cats.
What happened to your husband?
She killed her husband. Did she kill her husband?
Yeah, well, where do you think Catskins got all that money? Why don't you ask her? Uh-huh. Ask her about her first husband. Flippin' schnauzers. Flippin' schnauzers. Flippin' schnauzers.
What did happen to my husband?
Carol's a liar. Carol's a hypocrite.
Why do people keep talking about Carol's ex-husbands? I mean, who doesn't have at least one ex-husband?
You seek to find the truth. The truth is what you seek.
Oh, hey, you found me. I was wondering when that was gonna happen. I heard you guys were in town. Have you met Carol Catskins? Her kittens didn't kill me. I'm 6'4". Obviously, I'm in hiding. I didn't want to give up my puppies. That's family money, those puppies. I'm like the Rockefeller of puppies.
Yeah. We knew where Mr. Catskin was the entire time. But, your people called my people, and here we are.
It wasn't that hard going into hiding. I cut my hair, put on some glasses. Those people are wrapped up in their own world. They don't even see anything else. I see them at the grocery store all the time. They just walk right by me. I tried to call the police and tell them I'm not a missing person. They're like, I think it's better for the documentary, sir, if you're a missing person. Which is great, because now I just live with my puppies. I moved a mile down the road.
How many moms does Doc Baba have?
I'm pretty sure he has one mom, just like everyone else. Now, if you ask me how many hostages he has, I'll tell you 8 or 10.
And those YouTube videos of Joey's, have you seen those?
I haven't watched the videos. Have you watched the videos? I'm probably not gonna watch the videos.
Have you seen those? They're pretty good.
Joey's pretty much the star of his own show.
He never has more than 3 people watching his YouTube.
Joey would have been fine if he had just laid low, but no, he had to live all flashy. Always driving those expensive cars, name brands only for him. Did you know he only eats Uncrustables? You know, one time I offered him a juice box, and he looked right at me and said, I only drink Capri Sun. You kidding me? I'm over here swimming in juice boxes. He was living life way too loud.
I saw Joey on Jimmy Kimmel, and I said, is this true? The only difference between my pet and your pet is he still pees in the house and eats his poop. People are always like, you must have the most amazing life with that puppy. Joey always takes his puppy to the playground. He's just trying to pick up the nannies. They can't ignore a puppy. He's looking for a new puppy right now. These puppies mean everything to me. For as long as I can remember, I always wanted a puppy. I love my puppies. I wanted puppies my whole life. Aww. I've been like this as long as I could remember.
My veins run with puppy blood. I am the Puppy King.
Listen. You're going to have to take some time. Lie down on the cool floor and process what you've just seen. Okay? That Joey Cuddles kid is crazy. The dude only listens to his mama, and he's got puppies on the brain. Bruh.
Wait, did you say there were puppies? Oh, that's a different story.
Hey, you have to be prepared. You understand? You go over there, you might get urinated on. Okay, the puppy's the real king.
Carol wants to shut this whole thing down. My YouTube. She wants to take my puppies and my iPad. She wants me to have cats.
Where's his mother? Why does she let him make these videos? Puppies are not props.
It's 2020. There should be a law that says every home has 2 assigned cats on site. That's what we're fighting for, really. The cats!
Yeah, Joey called me for help. This Carol lady's out of control. She works day and night to shut him down. Cat people.
One of the things you forget, and I'm talking to you, Carol Catskins. You're not my mommy. Carol Catskin.
Carol Catskin.
Carol Catskins. Hey all you cats and kittens, this is Carol Catskins.
Fine by me. Carol's thinking about Joey. Joey's thinking about Carol. More puppies for me.
The whole thing is my idea, really. I encouraged him to run for president.
Joey Cuddles for president.
President?
I'll vote for Joey. I just gotta ask my mom to register me first.
Joey doesn't know anything about politics and budgets. He tried running for class president, and school wasn't even open.
He wants to be class president? President and puppy both begin with P.
This whole thing is weird. But am I laughing? Sure.
Puppy. Puppy.
Do I think he'll win? Ha! It's good for him. It'll keep him busy. I offer to help with his YouTube. And then have a bunch of cameras, like, filming us. And,
I think the puppy should be right here.
Yeah.
And then you and me, and have like the puppy.
Yeah.
And now he's running for class president? Joey Cuddles has no boundaries. I think he will try anything.
I'm not sure if he realizes that class president doesn't mean president of the United States. His mother's gonna have to talk to him about that.
Joey Cuddles for president.
Joey for president!
This whole thing is insane. But listen, for now, we all have a lot of time on our hands, so why not? Puppy King!
I didn't really want to take this job, you know, but I got nothing else going on. And I really wanted to be a campaign manager. And hey, you gotta start somewhere.
Hey all you cats and kittens.
It's Carol Catskin.
People will only use a puppy while there's money in it. Then they just give it to their grandparents.
Can you believe you wanted to give away a free puppy to every voter? You're not gonna get a free puppy. You're gonna get an adult puppy.
Wait, someone's giving away puppies? I give up my good arm to have a puppy.
We have a grandparent puppy crisis in this country. He was done with that puppy. Then he just gave her to his grandmother.
Joey used that puppy for 11 years, and then he gave her to his grandma. I think the grandma loved the puppy though. That puppy had a good life.
So I rescued that puppy and brought her back here so she can live out the rest of her life surrounded by cats, as it should be.
If there's one thing I know, Joey's gonna keep all the puppies.
Local celebrity Joey Cuddles loses his election by a landslide.
I lost! I blame Carol Catskin!
Carol Catskin is a bad lady.
She stole my puppy!
She took Abby in the middle of the night. Mimi was so sad it broke her heart.
Can somebody hug him? Seriously. Hug him.
Now there's a TV star in office.
Just don't own cute, cuddly puppies. There's always a story, and it's always a bad one.
Well, I got nothing but time now.
And then it's another, and then it's another, and then it's 3, and then it's 4.
I'm focused on Carol.
First it's a schnauzer, then it's a pit bull, then it's a pit schnauzer bull, and by the end of it you're like, oh my god, I didn't even know this type of dog could exist.
Adopt, don't shop, if you ask me.
Pretty soon you've got an entire economy filled with schnauzers. It's a schnauzer economy.
Puppy people are just backstabbing people. That's just how it is. You know, you give them one puppy, they want all the puppies.
They are all on our radar. The whole crew.
You're gonna have to ground me to shut me up.
Oh, it's very possible for these types of feuds to get vicious if ignored.
Being grounded doesn't scare me at all.
Carol is an angel. She rescued that puppy from its grandparents, if you ask me.
And now Catskins has a puppy of her own? She basically stole that puppy away from Cuddle's grandparents.
I'm not saying anyone is right, but I'm also not running out and picking up a cat.
Carol Catskins is a bad lady.
Can't just get your grandparents a puppy. Grandparents have their own puppies. You should get your grandparents a cat. Grandparents love cats.
Breathe in and breathe out.
Cats in every home. Cats everywhere.
This is below my pay grade. I told them to call the police.
I'm loyal. I'll do anything Joey asks.
I never trusted Carol.
Let's wrap this thing up. I'm now in possession of said puppy. The details are irrelevant. Joey's going down.
Do I worry for Carol? No. Do I worry for me? Yes. I can't take the rap for this. I'm much too pretty to lose my internet purchases. Isn't that right, Mittens?
The loss of a puppy means loss of oneself. Set a puppy free. If it comes back, it's yours.
It took me a while to track down Nick Nubber. My specialty is right-handed fingerprints, and so I was clearly caught off guard. But once I caught up to him, it was clear as day. Joey Cuddles paid Nick Nubber in bubble gum. Nick definitely know it. I know it. Now you know it.
It's not every day a third grader gets locked up for puppy abduction. Joey definitely hired Nick Nubber. He couldn't stand the fact that Carol had her.
Joey knows Nick just kicked a bubblegum habit. He was 3 years clean. Here comes Joey with the grade A strawberry. Now, Nick Nubber is running around the neighborhood blowing bubbles even when there's no gum.
If you ask me, Joey got what was coming to him. Catskins too. They all deserve to lose their iPad privileges. And those grandparents need to be reimbursed.
Sneaky Pete, he blew this thing wide open.
I still feel sorry for the grandparents.
Do I think Joey did it? Yeah. He wanted that puppy back no matter what it cost him. I would have helped him too if you asked me.
Do I think Joey should be grounded? Yeah. Do I think we should lose our iPads? No. That's on Joey. I'm not about that life.
Joey's just as bad as Carol if you ask me. The puppy she stole? Clearly inbred.
Joey's mom took his iPad away.
It's got one tooth.
Carol has 9 lives.
I blame Carol.
If a man's best friend is a dog,
I've been bit! Ah! My good hand! Ah!
whose best friend is the puppy?
Call the medic! Call the medic! Ah!
Oh, are you still here? Okay.
Yeah, I snitched. I told on them all. I don't even have a pet. I make my living off of this here internet stuff. I can't lose my iPad privileges. I got videos to post and followers to entertain and juice boxes to drink.
I mean, he should have his puppy.
I told him it was a bad idea.
Everybody had to hear this story, especially with the puppy and cat community going crazy. I mean, this is something that had to be exposed.
Carol started this whole thing. Joey couldn't let it go.
Silly little kids. Cats.
There are a lot of people going stir crazy right now. A lot of us need to laugh. And these people apparently have nothing better to do.
Did I pay him? I don't know what you're talking about. Nick lives with me. If he eats the bubble gum on the counter, he eats it.
I knew Carol was going to steal that puppy, and I knew Nick was going to get caught.
A decade-long feud comes to an end. The Puppy King stands trial for attempting to have his former puppy abducted from his rival, Carol Catskin.
I'm going to pick up where Joey left off. I'm going to make this whole thing bigger and better than ever before. Uh-oh, it's Ruh-Roh, the real king of puppies. Catskin's not getting my puppies.
You know, I think I'm gonna work for Ruh-Roh. He has a better dental plan.
Woke up this morning with sunshine in my eyes because you loved me. All the clouds are gone and took the rain inside because you loved me.
I can't believe the way I feel because you loved me.
All the bad is gone, but the good is here to stay because you loved me. Because you loved me.
Because you loved me.
Because you loved me.
you're a liar. If there's one thing we know for sure, it's that puppies don't belong in cages. Saving puppies one cat at a time. Okay. Okay.
Man.
I have been following this story. If Raro thinks he's gonna be the new puppy king, not if I have anything to do with it. There's a new puppy king in town, and his name is Carlos Catskins. Oh, this lady Carol, she's losing her mind. And Joey Carlos, he needs to slow down. Okay?